Hi guys, my name is Diane Hammonds. To introduce myself, I don't know what all else to say. Usually, like when I'm introducing myself other places, I say, hi, I'm Diane Hammonds and I'm a social worker, but all you guys know that because we're in the same social work program. I live in Maryland. I'm in my second year here at Widener. It's going well so far in the online program, obviously because I'm making this video. Field experience. So I did my undergrad internship at a crisis pregnancy center in Philadelphia. After that, I worked in a women and children's recovery house, working with moms in recovery from substance abuse, and they had their kids with them there, so that was really cool. I moved back home to Maryland to be closer to my family, and while I was here, I did 3 years of residential working with people with severe and persistent mental illness. After that, I felt residentialed out and I wanted to go more community-based. So now I'm doing case management for individuals with developmental disabilities. Goals. I think at this point, I want to be able to continue to cope with my anxiety, but also learn new ways to cope with anxiety that's generated from challenging client interactions. How to cope, like, pardon me, in the moment, but then also after, because I feel like in the moment I'm really good at being a cool cucumber and putting on a good face and not looking flustered at all by the client or by our interaction, but afterwards I get very disturbed and overwhelmed or worked up. And I just want to be able to have some, maybe not even tools. I think I want reassurance, and I want to read some literature, and I want to read some research on, that's going to validate me and help me cool my jets. I'm also acknowledging that there's a part of that I might not ever be able to fix, maybe because of my own background and upbringing and genetics. Maybe I'm just predisposed to being a little more anxious. And maybe it'll be about distress tolerance for me. I don't know. But I want to read some stuff that'll give me peace of mind. I want to learn some things that'll give me peace of mind. And another goal and this ties in, I want to be able to become more skilled at working through countertransference. So when a client is cussing me out, being able, like, on the inside to process it well and not have such like a strong reaction on the inside, or like feeling so insulted or like internalizing how they treat me or what they say to me. I tend to feel guilty a lot and feel like I'm not a hard enough worker, especially if I have clients who are very, very needy and contact me a lot. I can get overwhelmed and then feel guilty because they have such a high need, and then I'll think that I can't meet it and then become overwhelmed and then get off track. So I would want to reel all that in too. But also I think these things are like, lifelong processes. But it's also something that I know that pursuing a master's can help with, just having that extra education and knowledge and, theoretical frameworks, if there are any, to help out with that. So those are some goals for me. I think this class will be a good class to accomplish those. So I'm looking forward to hearing from everybody else and learning what we have to learn in this class.